Hello, Plunder Stylists. My name is Rhiannon from Plunder Corporate, and today I am here to talk to you about how to run a team report to find those within your team that are close to being active. So first, the importance of being active within your business. For those of you that are actively building your business, in the comp plan, you will notice that it asks for a certain amount of your downline or your front line, to be more specific, to be active in order to go ahead and advance within our compensation plan. So what active means is any stylist that has $200 or more in a calendar month of PRV, which is their personal volume. So to get started, you'll log into your back office and you should see a screen like the one that I'm showing you now. Then you would click on reports. And then you will notice that you'll get into all of your goodness right back here. These are your reports. So over here where you see period, you can go ahead and you can change the date. If you'd like to go ahead and change the date of a certain report, you can pull over here, and these are all of the different types of reports that you need. So for this particular video, we're going to go ahead and look at our team report since we're working within our team. So click team. And I want to make sure that I'm on the current period, which we are currently in August, and I can see my whole team right here. So in order to go ahead and filter them from highest to lowest, we will need to go ahead and click on the PRV button since it's the PRV that we're interested in. In order to do this, we'll need to click it twice, but I'm going to first click it one time, and it will filter it from lowest to highest. And then I'll click it again, and it'll refilter it highest to lowest. And this is what we want to dig into our report. We want to go through here and be able to look at anyone who's close to hitting 200 to be active. So we'll go down here to Kristen because she has $50 in. And because we're not that far into the month, we would like to go ahead and reach out and work with our teammates to ensure that they know what active means and that they know how to achieve it. And by talking to our team and getting to know them and building those relationships, we can find their why and what goals they have within their business. So I would go ahead and reach out to Kristen, and I would let her know that you are so close to hitting active this month. You still have over half the month to get there. You only need $150 more to be considered active this month. And she may or may not know that. Sometimes you have new stylists that come in that don't really understand the compensation plan yet, or what it takes to rank advance, or what it is that they want within their business. Sometimes they want to just socially sell and they're not really interested in being in a team, and that's great. They maybe just don't want to build a full-blown business, but that's fabulous because we need all types of people in this business to have a successful business ourselves. So maybe just reaching out to her, getting to know her, finding out what her why is and what her goals for her personal business are will help you better work with her to achieve the goals that she has set for herself. And I would continue this method of going all the way up to each one of these team members. Like right here, Andrea has $84 in. Andrea only needs $116 more in by the end of August to be considered active within her business. And you'll just keep going up. So Sherry has $97 in. We see that she has 2 people on her team. So if she could get to where she has 400 in, which is how much she would need to be able to hit the rank of Posh or Moxie, and then any of her girls became active, then she would go ahead and start building that business and could look into rank advancing herself. So I would continue this through on up all the way up here, and I would do it a couple different times a month because sometimes people just need that extra reminder or that help or that boost of confidence because they maybe just don't understand how close they are or what it is that they need to do to accomplish being active in a calendar month. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your sponsor or your leader or our amazing customer service at any time. Thank you so much.